Hi guys, it's Moz here again from Moz6510 Models, a channel dedicated to help you become a better scale modeler. Catalogue time again. I have picked up this Revell 2020 catalogue. Now, there's a bit of a caveat to this because this is their entire toy range. There isn't just like scale model kits in here. There is a wealth of different toys that they produce. So it's quite a long video, and the first like 3/4 is their scale model range. You've got the tools, you've also got paint, you've also got their radial control, their drones. There's a big mix in this catalogue. So I'm going to film it page by page so you can all see it if you've not been able to get hold of it in your local model shop. Remember also, I filmed this in HD, so again, go to the cog settings where you will find that the quality, you can put that up to HD so you can see it clearly. Anything you see, just click pause, or you can also go to the cog settings again and just put the playback speed up to like 0.5 or 0.25 so you can see it slowly. Up to you. But anyway, this is the Revell 2020 model catalogue. Enjoy. So hopefully you've gone through this. You can see there's quite a bit within this catalogue. It's a really nice glossy catalogue, lots of things happening inside the catalogue. You know, you also have the 3D puzzles you can go through. You have all their cars, the platinum editions. You can go through gift sets. There is so much here that will really, really impress any model collector or anybody who likes the Revell range of toys. They've got the Revell control in here, which is all their radial control, you know, their airbrush. You can go through everything that you need to do model kit building. It's a massive, massive catalogue. You know, it's over 150 pages. At the back, they have their content, so you can see exactly what you're going to be buying. There's their drones there. There's so much in here that, you know, it's worth buying. If you can go out and find it and buy it, have a look. Or their tool section, brilliant, absolutely brilliant. Their paint range is basically all squares, but these are all interchangeable, so you can put whichever one's inside the tray. Very, very similar to the Humbrol version that's out there. But there's plenty in here for you to look at. Weathering powders, masking tapes, you know, everything that you need is here. Oh, there you go. There's the toy section as well, the junior kit sections, which, you know, are easy to put together. Anyway, so there you go. That was the Revell 2020 catalogue. Just quickly, I just want to point out that on Facebook, there is a new group called the Scale Model Club. If you want to go and look for it on Facebook, you can join up. There's a few members on there already, but if you'd like to join the Scale Models Club, please do on Facebook. If you like the video, click like. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, please subscribe and then ring that bell to be notified on any new videos. Any questions, any comments, put them in the box below, and I'll see you in the next video. Cheers.